Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm gonna show you how you can use the Strava segments. The segments is actually something similar to that, which you will be able to open once you open the maps, and you will find them just like this. The segments are here. For example, this is a segment, and they will show you a couple of informations about the road, when it starts and when it ends, the best performance, the guy who did it, and the amount of effort and athletes who run through this way, the tool that they have or the equipment that they have used for it, and basically a lot of things that could be very useful for you, especially for those who doesn't know where to run in their country. Well, this is a really good thing to actually use, and it covers the most of the map. Let's go here, for example. Let's go here. Let's go here, for example, in this city. So here, if we zoom in, we have this road which is very small. As you can see, there is this guy who did it 1.5 kilometer on a bike. The acceleration was good, so you can find here segments, and you can actually create new roads, so you can make it your own roads and find it as segments. So it's very good. You can here filter the segments. So for example, you only want to find the roads with specific niches. For example, the length is less than 5 kilometers. You want people who have created to be verified. So here we don't have people that are verified, unfortunately. So let's keep it as start or basically all. Here elevation, let's keep it as, for example, flat, hilly, climb, so you can know what type of road it is. For example, if it is flat or there is like hill or something like that, so you can actually understand what type of road you are going to expect. And yeah, this is how you can use this segment. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.